Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hi. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to grill with Weber gas grills. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to grill with Weber gas grills is 0.r.msn.com. Specifically the page titled Weber Gas Grills for LesCollebex.com. Here's the link. You can also try 1967208.r.msn.com, especially the page Weber Gas Grill Sale, up to 70% off Weber Gas Grill. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 778429.r.msn.com. The web page Weber Grills at Lowe's registered. This is the link.